Hi everyone, I'm Swati Arora, famously known as Mind Coach Swati, and today we have with us Mageshwari Dilip, who has been part of my Action Takers Hub, the community which is helping people in career development. And Mageshwari has recently got a wonderful achievement which he would like to share with all of us. She was working with Infosys earlier in a quality role, and now she's joined back the same organization in delivery. And after 8 months of job search, she has been finally able to get her desired dream job. And Mageshwari wants to share with us her experience on how she got the job. Hi, Mageshwari. How are you doing?
Yeah, hi Swati, hi all. I like take this opportunity, and it's a good thing for me to expose myself to here. So I got a good opportunity in Infosys, but during my job search, I was joined this course only during that period. So I was able to manage my time, and job search was completely I can optimize. So just like that, I have not job search. So Mind Coach really helped me to focus my job search on. That's what I'll say.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mageshwari. What was your life before you joined the Action Takers Hub? What was it earlier?
So the focus on self branding is not there. So if you ask me, right, I have done many activities. I have not I have kept myself busy, but the focused objective, goals, and self branding is completely missing in my case. So that is the one I learned through this course, and I kept occupied completely in this journey, not only in job search, doing the daily activities, whatever Shwati will be proposing to us, right? So the daily activities focus not only on our career, it also give me some personal growth improvement, managing my kids, managing mostly on the time. So that is the current state I am. From there, before what I had.
Wonderful,
That's
wonderful.
what
I'm
I.
really glad to hear, Mageshwari, that time management you said, and also personal branding you said, one of the very important things that we are kind of promoting in the community and otherwise also in the world. I think everyone, as a working professional, as a senior working professional like yourself, to brand yourself is very, very important. So, Mageshwari, talk about what are the three things that I would say, I'm sure there's a lot of learning you mentioned, but three top
Yeah.
things that you have kind of really seen as a you're learning from the community, from the course, from the peers of the community, and from obviously attending the live sessions. What did you see as your core three things?
Yeah, one of the most interesting things I would say the know your ikigai. So, what is your passion? What is your where are you? In which state you want to achieve? So this ikigai helps me to understand my passion. And usually there is a SWOT analysis we can do: strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, and improvement. Right. So normally we used to focus on our weakness, and we will try to come up more focusing, putting effort on the weakness. But in this course has given me some focused approach, focusing shift from weakness to strength. So I started focusing on my strength. So this ikigai is able to understand my passion, my strength, my knowledge I have, and my positive thoughts, and wherever my plus, right, I'm able to focus on that. And smart goals, I set the goals in a smart way, and the goals itself is segregated into two: long term and short term. So short term goals leads me to achieve the long term goals, right? So that kind of a segregation and a focused approach, and as I said earlier, right, self branding. So all these three things combined me to achieve the result. And also what I say is the LinkedIn profile which I kept in my previous before joining this course at other is like a vacant. It used to have only, even though I have 20 years of journey, my people connect is less. But now within a short frame, I could able to achieve more number of people. So around 350 plus now I got from 10. I have immediately within 3 months I'm able to connect with these people, and I built my network also.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. So you talked about Ikigai and knowing your purpose, and I remember having a conversation with you offline as well, where you said you really want to not only shine as a salaried person, as a consultant in a company, but also do something on the parallels to be able to build your lifetime as well, lifetime passion as well. So that's really really interesting, Mageshwari, and I'm sure that going ahead you will be able to see your passion and you'll be able to pursue your passion. And like you said, the LinkedIn profile, definitely, I think that's a remarkable achievement. 350 plus followers in the last 3 months is what you said, 3-4 months.
Yeah,
It's pretty
yes,
pretty
yes.
good. Yeah, pretty good. So that's something which is really good, and I'm sure it will help you in the long run as well. So Mageshwari, what would be some things to kind of close up the session? What would be some things that you'd like to tell everyone as a result of your success? What is that you'd like to tell everyone on how this kind of coaching can help them and how they can grow in their career?
See, I'll say everybody's life will have ups and downs. So, as a women, we face lot of challenges, including our personal stuff, right? So, when it comes to any achievements, what you want to achieve, focus on your goal. Whatever we are having, it can be see even spiritual improvement. I have set as a goal. So it can be anything. It can be not only related to career, and as Swati said, I also planned myself to a journey of getting passive income. So it is not only through finally in this world, right? What is Maheshwari achievements? If you see, it is not only as a quality consultant or as a delivery folk, right? I just done this. Apart from this, what is the journey I have taken? So I want to see a world in all the 360 angles. So, as a woman, as a wonderful mother, so as a wife, oh, what are the achievements we have done so far? So, we need some time to think where are we and what we want to achieve. So, that time we can take in a relaxed manner and we focus on the activity whichever we are interested, whichever we have a passion, right? Definitely we can achieve that. And I think whatever you people has taken a right journey, right decisions in joining this course. Wonderful, all the best. Please build your networking. That is a key thing which I missed in my career, which I want to communicate to all of you. Thanks, Swati and team, for helping me to achieve this. Thank you.
Thank you, Mageshwari. I think you very very nicely summed it up that personal branding is the key. You said so. Thank you so much, Mageshwari, for your time, and wish you all the very best for your journey ahead with Infosys and always in your career with you always. Thank you so much, Mageshwari. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.